Hello everyone, welcome back to this YouTube channel. I hope you are all keeping safe. If you are new on this channel, thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like and share our videos. Welcome back to our Yoruba class. If you are new and you've not watched the previous videos, please go and watch the Yoruba class videos so you can understand the alphabet in Yoruba language. So today we'll be looking at the music in Yoruba language. Yes, Yoruba language is like music because we have marks that we use which guide our pronunciation in Yoruba language, and those marks are called tone marks, or you can say accent. Tone marks, àmì ohùn, tone marks, àmì ohùn. We have 3 tone marks in Yoruba language. Let's look at the 3 marks that we use in Yoruba language. The first mark is do. Do. That is like a slash that leans backwards. Do, like a backslash, a shorter form of a backslash. Do. So any word that has do as the mark on it will sound do. The next mark is re. You will notice re has no sign because we don't use any sign for re. You won't see the sign at all. So any word that has no sign at the top will sound re. The next mark is mi. Mi. That's like a slash that leans forward, like forward slash, but a shorter form of a forward slash. Any word that has mi will sound exactly as me. Shortly, we will look at some examples for us to understand all these marks, their tones, and how to pronounce words. Tone marks are very important in Yoruba language because we have words that are spelled the same way but have different meanings depending on the tone marks on them. So it is important for us to understand and know these tone marks so we can be able to read, pronounce, and also identify words with different meaning. Now, let's look at the first set of words. You can see they are spelled the same way, but they mean 2 different things because of the difference in the marks on them. The first word has do. Can you hum it and let's see, maybe you'll be able to pronounce those words. Ha-mi. Ha-mi. And that means marks or symbol. Now, the second word is spelled exactly the same way, but you can see that the first letter has no sign. How do we pronounce this first letter that has no sign? Do you remember? The tone mark with no sign is re. So this will be re, mi. Remember, mi is the sign that leans forward. Re, mi, a, mi, which means spies. A, mi. Now, let's move to the next set of words. Remember, we learned this word in the last Yoruba class. Do you remember how we pronounced dog in Yoruba language? Because the marks on this word is re mi, aja, dog. Now look at the following word. The same spelling but different marks. The marks on the next word is do. Aja, and that means loft. The next set of words also are spelled the same way but with different marks. The first word has do. Bata, and that means shoe. Can you pronounce it? Bata. The second word has 2 marks. Do, mi, and that is bata. Bata is a kind of drum in Yoruba language. Bata, drum. The next set of words that look alike but they have different meaning is ewe, leaf, ewe, and the second one is dore, ewe, child, ewe, leaf, ewe, child. The next set of words is Can you pronounce that? Do, mi. Do, which means flower. But the second one, which looks exactly the same way but with just 1 mark, and only the first vowel has a mark, do. What do you think? Yes, it means it will be do, re, do, re, do, and that is righteousness. Let's look at the next set of words. Ilu. That's also called drum. Remember the first one, the first type of drum I mentioned, bata, is a type of drum, but generally drums are called ilu in Yoruba language. And the second word is ilu, domi, city or town. Domi, city. Now let's try this one together. Can you try it? The mark on it is mi. Hum it and try it. How do you pronounce the word? Nyo, which is to nyo. And the second word has do. Nyo, which is to choose or to select. Nyo, mi, nyo, to nyon. Nyo, do, that is to choose. So try to practice all these words, learn the marks, practice them over and over again till you are able to identify these marks in words and you're able to get the right pronunciation. Thank you so much for watching today. Please subscribe, like, and share our videos. Thank you. Please stay safe, and I'll see you in the next Yoruba class. Bye.